Hey guys, welcome back for another video from TDL DIY. So again, we're in my father-in-law's 2006 Honda Civic. This will range from 2006 to I believe 2011. So the problem he's having with his cigarette lighter here, or power outlet, this one right here, he's got no more power and he's trying to figure out, hey, what's going on? So he called me up and came over. And I said, no way, it's got to be working, because I saw it not too long ago and it was working, and he said it wasn't. So anyways, we're taking a look at it. Got the power on. I should have a light here. We don't have a light, so that indicates something is wrong. Something with the outlet or something like that. Usually the outlets don't go bad because it's just positive, negative wires, not unless the wire got burnt up or something or other. But there is a fuse. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to check the fuses, and I know from experience 28 and 29 are fuses that might affect this power outlet. I've already found the problem. I'm just going to kind of walk you guys through the process of what happened with me and what we can do to fix it. Alright, so now we're going to open the door, get up underneath, and we'll show you what we got. So like I said, 28 or 29. So 28's there and 29. We currently taken out 29 because I've already fixed it. So that was the issue. So all you have to do is I'm using these guys right here, but the vehicle does come with proper things to get fuses out. So all you do is pull that fuse out, and we will check to see if it's blown, and it doesn't appear to be. You can see it looks perfect. So we're going to put that one back. Perfect. So it's all put back. Now we're going to pop the hood. And I'll show you where spare fuses are in case yours ever go bad. So in this case, the fuse just blown for 29, and that's why it wasn't working. It's a pretty simple fix, guys. Here is your fuse panel, another fuse panel. So right there, and inside the cap, as you can see, we are missing a 15. So we have a 7.5, a 10, and that's where a 15 would have went. A 20 and a 30, and it has these nice little things to use to pull fuses out. So our 15 is gone because I've already used it. It's currently in my pocket, and we will grab this fuse. As you can tell, it is brand new, and there's no burnt mark right in the middle. So now we're going to take this fuse, and there's 29. We're going to just push it right back in there. There we go. Now that fuse is back in. Alright guys, so we got the fuse 29 in. It's a 15 amp. So we're going to just check to see if that fixed the problem. And look at that, we got the little light on. Might be hard for you guys to see. Just bring it up. So that light's on now. See, lights off. Push it in, lights on. So that's the problem if you're not having any power to your outlet here. All it is, guys, is a 15 amp fuse. Check fuses 28 and 29. Mine was 29. There you go. That's all there is to it, guys. It's super easy. You guys could do it yourselves and maybe save you whatever it's going to cost you to go to the dealer and just put a simple couple dollar fuse in. So thanks for watching, guys. I really appreciate it. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Feel free to like and subscribe, and you can always share with friends and family. Don't forget, never stop learning, guys.